Welcome home to an absolute treasure in Kelly Plantation. This beautiful home is directly located on the golf course, and as you're entering the home, you are greeted by an in-law suite bedroom right on your left-hand side. With its own full bath on the main floor, this is a great addition to this beautiful home in Kelly Plantation. Pay attention to the high ceiling, the sky window, and the shiplap accent wall in this beautiful bathroom. As you're coming back out into your entryway, notice the barn door and the laundry room downstairs with custom cabinetry and also just beautiful space. My absolute favorite room in this house is the kitchen and living room. Notice the beautiful herringbone backsplash gas grill, an amazing pantry which you can't see right now, but the view of the golf course, accent lighting, recessed and also built-in bookshelf, just beautifully done. The master suite is downstairs. This is a king-size bed to give you an idea about the size. Lots of lights and windows. And obviously you got your own beautiful master bathroom, a Roman tub, and also an extra large shower, tile work all the way up to the ceiling, and a double vanity bathroom. Remember, this home is located on the golf course in Carriage Lane. The ground landscaping is already included in your homeowner association fees, so there's very low maintenance. Beautiful screen and porch. But this home also features a second living space upstairs, a large family room that would be amazing for your guests or children to hang out. It could be also a gym. There is a fifth room that is included in this beautiful home that could be used as a recording studio or office. And then you have, of course, two additional bedrooms upstairs. And there is a full bathroom upstairs that again has a tub, beautiful tile work, and double vanities. Don't forget, there is an insulated storage space upstairs and also a separate HVAC unit for the upstairs floor. Kelly Plantation offers so many amazing amenities. I hope you schedule your tour today to check out this amazing home.